Yes, Pete.
Why aren't there any Thanksgiving songs? There's plenty of Christmas songs. Red-nosed reindeers deck the halls, but why aren't there any Thanksgiving songs?
Yummy, yum, yum, yum.
Something tells me I'm about to find out.
Well, I wrote one. Wanna hear it? What if every day was Thanksgiving? What a wonderful world it would be. We'd look upon each other like brothers and sisters. One big happy family. How did you like it? Pretty good, huh?
I think you're on the right track, but you may need
To put more oomph into it. Every day can be Thanksgiving if we want it to be. Living each day in gratitude would be something wonderful to see. You might think I'm crazy, but I'm not the only one. Nothing is impossible. Why not give it a try? Treat everyone with kindness, then watch and see them smile. Every day can be Thanksgiving if we want it to be. I hope you care to join us. What a wonderful world it would be.